Hi, welcome once again to Strand Styles and Beauty channel. So in today's episode of Strand's Mother and Child Hair Care series, we will be teaching you how to wash your baby's hair from newborn to 9 months. Stay tuned. So first of all, you start off with your baby shampoo to cleanse her hair and her scalp. So I'm just showing you how we did it when she was a newborn. Right now in this video she's about 8 months, so you just get a towel and kind of wet her hair, get her hair wet. She's struggling here because of course she is not as young as she was, so she can sit up now by herself. So you take a little bit of shampoo and apply it on her hair, gently massaging it into her scalp throughout her whole hair. You can just take two squirts of the shampoo, and that's all. Then next you just rinse it. I'm using warm water here, not cold or hot, but slightly towards the hot water side. And you just squeeze out her hair. When she was a newborn, I just used the towel to kind of rinse her hair. So that's all. You just use the towel as well to clean her face, to get the water off her face. Now I'm showing you how I did it when she started sitting down around 3-4 months. I applied the shampoo the way I'm applying the conditioner now, and I make sure she's slightly reclined in her bathtub, so her hair kind of bends back, her head kind of bends back so that the water doesn't reach her face when I'm pouring water on her hair. So after applying the conditioner, you use a white tooth comb to gently comb her hair. The thing is being fast forwarded, and I'm showing how I rinse her hair without getting water on her face, and I use towel to clean any other water so on her face. And that's all. You just squeeze out the water and you are done. And next you put her in a towel, gently wrapping her hair in the towel. I don't use the towel to squeeze her hair. So I'm showing you how to do it with a hooded towel. And next you apply your leave-in conditioner. We're using our favorite leave-in conditioner here. You can distract her with her toys, and you gently massage the conditioner into her hair as well as on her scalp, and then you seal it in with combination of olive oil and castor oil, or any other oil of your choice that is very good for baby's hair, but we do recommend olive oil and castor oil. Next you comb out her hair with a white tooth comb, not any type of comb, but a white tooth comb, because her hair is really fluffy. And we're done. Just pat down her hair, or you can style it as you please. And you can see she is very happy here because we are so done. So I'm showing you when she was about 6 months. We just used only shampoo. We hadn't started using a conditioner. You can see how soft her hair was, but as her hair got thicker, I had to start using a conditioner to supplement the moisture needed for her hair. And we are so done. That's all. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe to this channel to see more episodes, and follow us on our social media pages. Thanks and God bless you. Bye.